Do you want more cleaning clients with less advertising cost and more free time for your family and for yourself? Let me tell you about my new Google ad conversion workshop. There's no waiting because the ads show up almost right away. There's no awkward messaging back and forth like you're going to constantly have with Facebook advertising. And there's no blowing thousands of dollars to a bloated advertising agency because this is something that you can do entirely by yourself after I show you how. Plus, you have complete control over your budget. You decide if you want to spend $5 a day or $500 a day, and you'll brand your cleaning company to show up on the search engines fast. I just put out this brand new workshop on how to target Google ads with conversions. It's the easiest way to do Google ads. It's way, way easier than the methods that I've taught before in the past. So this workshop is available right now for a limited time. You're going to get the recording of a private session that I held with about a dozen of my private clients. Plus, you're going to get all the workshop materials with all the keywords, the negative keywords, which are very, very important to doing Google ads, and all of the class handouts. So if you want to get this live quickfire 75-minute training replay, plus the swipe ready templates ready to go, plus the workshop handouts so that you can do profitable Google ads live in your cleaning business, click the link below this video right now. Try it out for 30 days, and if you're not completely in love with it, email me and I'll give you a full refund. I'd love to see you part of the workshop, and I'd love to get your hands on this valuable training for your cleaning business.